You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, this is the name of a famous song also by Dua Lipa. If you want to learn more English vocabulary, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation: pretty, pretty please, pretty please. In American English, the US pronunciation is as pretty, pretty please, or pretty please. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.